My gym is closed for 10 days and I decided to work out in the streets like I was doing from the very beginning of my fitness path. I put it together a push workout that you can do in the calisthenics park with no weights, only one band for isolation exercises.
I know a long
We are training chest today. Chest, shoulders, triceps. And I called my gym bro with whom I will do this workout, which consists of 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps of dips, last set to complete failure plus some forced reps, then some single arm shoulder presses for front delts, 3 sets to failure on each arm, M-rep push-ups, 3 sets to failure, maximum amount of reps for the chest and triceps. Then an isolation exercise for the triceps, a band push down, 3 sets to or very close to failure. After that, we will hit diamond push-ups to finish with the chest and tris, and we are going to finish workout with some forearm curls with the band. It's very important to understand that when you're training with your body weight or with the bands, you don't want to focus on specific rep count. What matters is that you're exerting the muscle and getting it very close to failure. It does not have to be all the way to failure on your every set, but it needs to be very close to it, like maybe a rep or 2 in the tank. And your last set you want to take all the way to failure. After we drank creatine, I started doing my dips. On first 2 sets, I stayed in the RPE 8 zone, and last set I took all the way to failure, and after that I did couple assisted reps to really fatigue the muscle. After dips, I started doing band single arm shoulder presses, which are actually hard when you are doing them with single arm, and that got me to failure on my 8th rep, and the same thing with my left arm. Push-ups were hard at that point and I got to 15 reps, but that was not failure. I could do maybe 2 more reps, but I'm happy with that number. After push-ups, I started doing push-downs and I got to 11 reps. Then some diamond push-ups, which gave me insane pump. And I wrapped the workout by doing some forearm curls, 15 reps on each hand. And that was it for the street push day. I hope that you found this video helpful. If so, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.